Have you ever wondered how long Samsung actually keeps its foldable phones in the spotlight? Most of the time, when a new Galaxy device launches, older models slowly fade into the background. But this time, Samsung is doing something a little different. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, a foldable that came out last year, is still very much part of the company's plans. And the proof lies in the latest software update news. Yes, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is on the list of devices that will be getting Samsung's big new software refresh, One UI 8. And not just that, Samsung has even started working on beta builds for this foldable, showing that it hasn't been forgotten. Now, let's break it down. A new build of One UI 8 for the Galaxy Z Flip 5 was recently spotted on Samsung's servers. The firmware version is F731NKSU5ZYHC, and it was developed in August. That means Samsung has been actively testing and preparing this update for weeks now. If you've been holding on to your Z Flip 5, this is good news. Your foldable is not being left behind. The interesting part is that Samsung is expanding the One UI 8 beta to more and more devices. The Flip 5 now joins a long list of phones confirmed for the update, including the Galaxy A55, the Galaxy A36, and of course, the Galaxy S3 series. This is Samsung's way of showing that even slightly older models can still enjoy some of the latest software perks. But here's the catch. Nobody knows exactly when the stable version of One UI 8 will arrive for the Flip 5. Samsung has said that the rollout of stable One UI 8 updates will begin in September. However, as always, newer models are likely to get first priority. That means the Galaxy S25 series could be the very first to receive it. So where does that leave the Z Flip 5? Probably somewhere in the second wave of updates. It may take a few weeks after September before the stable version finally lands on this device. But the fact that beta development is moving forward smoothly means users won't have to wait forever. This shows Samsung's bigger strategy too. The company isn't just selling hardware. It's keeping older devices relevant by supporting them with fresh software. And for a foldable like the Z Flip 5, which is already a niche product, software support is key. People who invested in this phone want to feel that it will still hold value a year or two later. Think about it. Foldables are still relatively expensive compared to regular phones, and if buyers feel that support drops too quickly, they'll hesitate to purchase. Samsung clearly understands this, which is why even though the Flip 6 is already here, the Flip 5 is not being pushed aside. To sum it up, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is getting One UI 8, and the beta builds are already being worked on. Stable versions will begin rolling out in September, but don't be surprised if newer flagships like the S25 get it first. Still, if you're using the Z Flip 5, you can rest assured that Samsung hasn't forgotten you. So, what do you think? Should Samsung speed up the stable update for slightly older devices like the Flip 5, or is it fair that the newest flagships get it first? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this update useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech news.